Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very exciting video. So excited for this collection, but today we're going to be trying out the new Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. And I saw like swatches and pictures of everything in this collection. I just about fell to the ground. I was gagged. I was like, this whole entire collection was made for me. They're like my favorite kind of colors, but also has like a little bit of like a dark, edgier twist to it, which I love. Brushes in this collection literally made me about cry because I love them. You guys will see, but I'm just so excited for this collection. I honestly think that this is, at least visually, I haven't tried it out yet, but visually the best collection that Wet n Wild has ever come out with. I was shook. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Give you guys some information about the products, launch dates, all that good stuff. I'm gonna be trying out the products and giving you guys swatches as I go through each category of the face. Little card here. So this is the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. It says it's to embrace your inner and outer renegade with hauntingly delicate rose-inspired products that have an unexpected dark twist. Dare to be delicately strong, chic-y, grunge, or mysteriously gorgeous. In this collection, there's two parts. There's skincare and then makeup. So we have a rose toner, which is $7.99. We have the, where is it? Rose primer serum. This is also $7.99. I use oil, which is $7.99 as well. And there is like little flowers in it, which I think is really cute. And then we have a lip scrub, which you guys know what a lip scrub is. I don't even want to try to take that out right now. But that one's $3.99. We have the makeup section. So we have three eyeshadow quads, cream blush, two liquid catsuit matte lipsticks, and then we have two liquid catsuit high shine lipsticks, which is, if you guys watched my last Wet n Wild collection video, there was like those high shine lipsticks in there, which I loved the formula of those. Two makeup brushes. So you can buy the collections. You can buy just the skincare alone for $24.99, or you can buy the entire collection, which is like the skincare and makeup, for $59.99. And then you can buy like just the makeup for $39.99. And then obviously you could buy everything individually, but I will leave all of that listed down below for you guys. I will always link the collections and give you guys information about everything. So I'll give you prices as I go through that as well, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of information. This has already launched. I think it launched a couple of days ago on the Wet n Wild website, and it will be at major food, drug, mass retailers beginning in March. Just go ahead and get into it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off. I have already applied skincare, so I don't know if I'm gonna use like all the skincare stuff. There is like an oil, a toner. I will use the serum, so we'll just try that one out. Like I said, this is the Rose Primer Serum. It's a water-based face serum that moisturizes and preps the skin for longer lasting makeup. It is like this really pretty, it's kind of like metallic, a little dropper. It's giving me hella Farsali vibes, you know? So I'm just gonna apply this like all those people apply the Farsali stuff on Instagram. Just kind of throw it all over my face. It has a rose scent. It's not too strong, which I'm glad, because I don't really like the smell of rose, especially, you guys know I work at Bath & Body Works, and I feel like everything this past month has smelled like rose, and I'm so over it. I literally can't. It isn't too heavily fragranced. Nice little pimple down here and up here. That's great. But I like it. It kind of feels a little tacky, which is good when it comes to applying like face products and stuff, so it'll stick to it a little bit better. By the way, there is like a little, I forgot to mention this, there's like a tinted jelly balm. Let's just go ahead and swatch this now, because I probably won't use this, but I love a nice tinted lip balm. So it's like black, but if you put it on, it's supposed to turn like pink a little bit. So, oh yeah, I can see it. It's definitely there. You know what? Hold on. I have a tinted lip balm on right now already, so I might as well put this on in the meantime. Oh, it got real pink. Look at my fingers. I just wiped it away. Ooh. Very hydrating. I like it. That one is $3.99. It says it's a translucent black jelly balm with pH activated ingredients that transforms to a sheer pink tint on the lips. It definitely does. I really like this. You guys know how I feel about tinted lip balms. I love them. That's a win for me. I have the bottom layer of this collection, which is all the makeup, and I'm just so excited for this. I use one of the eyeshadow brushes. So these brushes in here are $7.99, which I think is such a good deal because these are literally beautiful. I just felt like this collection was literally made for me. Like, it's a black rose, and the little brush up here is like a nice dusty pink. and it matches my room. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll put a picture here somewhere. But I have like black roses all against my wall above my bed. So like this literally just matches me and I love it. So this is like a nice little dense blending brush. I have 3 little eyeshadow quads. House of Thorns, which this is what that one looks like. I also just love the packaging. Even on the inside, it's like this nice like lace like imagery here. It's really pretty. So this one is House of Thorns. Then we have Secret Garden Rendezvous. And then Bed of Roses, which this one, I just want to use this one pretty much. But I do want to kind of dip into the other one as well, which was House of Thorns, because it has a little bit more of a red. This one's like a more darker red in here, but we will use both of them. Prime my eyes really quick. I will be right back. I'm going to end up dipping into all of these palettes because there's something I can use from each one. So I'm actually starting off with Secret Garden Rendezvous. I can't speak. And I'm going to use that pink shade in there because I'm going to use that as my, my transition shade. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we're going to do something. So I'm just going to start using this and packing this into my crease. Or blending it into my crease, I should say, not packing it really. I just love that all the little shadows are like rose petals, or roses, not rose petals. It's just really pretty. Everything is just so like aesthetically pleasing to look at in this collection. A little hard to blend out, not my favorite, but it's still pretty. I like the color of it. The eyeshadow quads are $4.99 by the way. I find this one a little hard to blend out, but it's not anything terrible, you know? This shadow, I'm just like, if I put it down in one spot, I'm just having a little bit like trouble blending it out from the spot that like it was placed, you know. We're gonna move in to this one, which I'm very excited for. This one is House of Thorns. I think like when would be the right time to, oops, 1 second, because I'm scared is that this brush is a little dense, so I don't want it to be like too dense. But we're just gonna go into the red shade in this palette and we're just gonna go with it. Pack that on. It's very soft. Ooh, you know what? I actually think that packed on the shadow pretty nicely. Okay, the only thing I'm finding is that these like little petals on the edge are kind of getting in the way of me blending. It's like the brushes are pretty and I'm gonna like them either way. Honestly, just want to buy a bunch of these brushes just to have like on display. I probably won't even use them because they're so pretty. I do like this brush and this shadow. The shadow is really nice to kind of pack on and blend out. I'm having like, I just feel like the little edges of the petals kind of rubbing against my lid. Taking another brush to pack on that shade and then kind of blend it out. Then I'm going in to Bed of Roses and I'm going to take the deeper red over here on that same brush and kind of just put this in the outer corner to deepen it up. We're going deep today. There's also a black shadow in here that I really want to use. Ooh, but that dark red, if you don't like to use black shadow, I feel like this dark red kind of does the job without having to use black. It still like really makes it nice and deep. I like that. Really pigmented. I like barely even took any on the brush. That one snapped. She did. She did what she had to do, you know? That one really blended out super easy. Like I didn't really have to work with that one too much. Take another brush, a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go into the House of Thorns again and take the black shadow. Ooh, she's dark. She's pigmented. And we're just gonna take this right at the outer corner, just to really deepen her up, you know? She's pigmented. That's a really nice black. I'm pretty impressed. Going back with that same brush and the dark red, just to blend out that black. I'm just gonna do a cut crease. What else is new? So I'm just gonna use my makeup. I can't speak today. My Makeup Shack T51 brush and some concealer to cut my crease. And hopefully I don't fuck this up. I swear I do cut creases all the time and tell me why I still like can't breathe when I do a cut crease. Like, why am I like this? Taking a little bit of my NYX pigment primer. I do this every time I do a cut crease just because I don't want it to transfer. I'm just gonna put that over where we put the concealer down. I'm gonna go in with this shade in the Bed of Roses palette. It's like this really pretty shimmery, glittery pink. And I'm just gonna tap that over the lid. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Color is so pretty. I feel like on camera, it's just like not even doing it justice. It is so beautiful and like there is some glitter in there and it's just really pretty. I like that a lot. Go back in with that deeper red shade and blend that into the shade we just put down. So everything is nice and blended. Just kind of packing that over the edge. And I'm also kind of taking some more of that up here just to intensify it a little bit more. And then I'm going back with the brush with no additional product just to blend that into the shadow we just put down. That way everything is just really nice and seamless along the edges over here. So I just went ahead and did this eye really quick. I'm going to add a little bit of black just to this like outer corner and along the lash line a little bit, like maybe halfway, just to kind of smoke it out a little. Bring it up a little to the outer corner and blend it into the black that we put there before. This is basically like a blush and lip product, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. My base and bronzer and everything I'm baking at this moment, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up the eyes and just do the lower lash line. So I'm going in with the Bed of Roses palette again. I'm taking the dark red and I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line first. Oh, you know what? Damn it, I forgot. I use my Urban Decay Alkaline eyeliner. It's really sharp right now. I need to dull that down just a little bit. I'm gonna put that in my waterline, my favorite eyeliner ever. So, okay, going back with the little palette, taking the red shade and blending that down. I'm gonna take my good old faithful Time 204 brush with that same red shadow and just smoke that out. Just love this brush so much to do this, like, it's the best. I'm gonna go back with House of Thorns with the other red shadow and kind of add that to it just so we have that in there. Love that. Moving on to the blush, which I'm actually pretty scared to use because it's black. But this is the shade Rose and Peace. So it's supposed to be black and then turn pink once it kind of heats up to your body. It retails for $4.99. So it kind of, you guys can kind of see it does turn a little pink over here, but it still looks a little iffy. And I don't know if I should apply this with, let me see if I apply it with a brush on my hand. Okay, it turns pink. Hope for the best. Oh, no, she's pink. She's pink. We're good. Pinky purple. She's cute. It's not like lifting my foundation or anything, which is nice. Forgot to use this brush. You know what? I feel like I don't have to use this brush. If you want, you can use it for like powder and stuff, but I'll show it to you guys anyway. I just didn't have a need for this brush right now, but look at how beautiful this is. It is so pretty. I'm probably just going to put this like on display in my room. And just even the packaging it comes with in like this is so cute. And this one, like I said earlier, also retails for $7.99. We have his lip products left. I still need like highlight and lashes, so I'm actually going to do that really quick. So lashes are on. These are the Makeup Shack Kaylani's as always. So last but not least, we have lip products. 4 lip products. 2 of them are the matte liquid catsuits and then the other 2 are the high shines. So these 2 are the mattes and these 2 are the high shines. I'm leaning towards this one, obviously, but this one's also cute too. These ones I feel like are a little too light for the look I'm going for, you know. This one is Kiss of Death. Ooh, she's dark. I love it. Alright, let me get a mirror because I can't see. I'm blind. Ooh. I believe these are $4.99 too. Yeah. These ones are always $4.99. This is so pretty, and honestly, I've used a lot of dark red lipsticks, and I feel like a lot of times they are patchy, whether it's drugstore, high-end, whatever. Sometimes they can be patchy, and I'm honestly very impressed that this one was not. On very smoothly and like didn't get patchy or like, you know, it's really nice. I'm very impressed. I'm gonna dust this away really quick. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love it. This is, I just feel so me in this look, and I just love this entire collection. Like, I think they truly did that with this collection. I didn't try all of the skincare products obviously, but the little serum primer that I used was nice. I obviously haven't worn it all day to like see if it actually did anything, but it was nice, and I'm excited to try the rest of it. The brushes are my favorite thing. A brush like this to look like this to be $7.99 is iconic. We stan affordable makeup and makeup brushes. I just love them. I can't wait to put them on display. I want to buy more to have them on display in my room. Eyeshadow quads, my favorite out of the three was the Bed of Roses. I also really liked the House of Thorns, which was the other one with the black in it. I would say if you're gonna pick up any of the quads, pick those two up. The other one was okay. Like, it wasn't anything that like really wowed me, but this one and House of Thorns just really, they snap. Cream blush, it's fun. I like it. I thought the color that came off was really nice as well. I was really scared because it could go wrong, you know, like seeing something black and then putting it on your face, it can go wrong, but I'm very happy to say that I really like the color that it came out to be, like that pretty, like, it was almost like a dusty purpley pink. It was really nice. The lip products, I'm very impressed with this dark red lip. Like I said, it wasn't patchy or anything. It didn't like skip, or I didn't have to go over it a couple times. This one is Kiss of Death, and I'm excited to try the other ones. I haven't tried them yet, but I really like the colors. So all in all, I give this collection 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10. It is stunning. I love it. Truly, I think this is the best collection that Wet n Wild has come out with. So pretty, like everything about it just really so nice to look at. I think to be under $10, I just love that. That's why I love Wet n Wild, because they are so affordable, cruelty free, and a lot of their products are vegan. And I also really love that the red eyeshadows, 2 of the palettes are vegan except for the other one. Hard to find red shadows that are vegan too. I know a lot of people that do look at vegan makeup and stuff have a hard time finding red shadows, so that's really nice. I'm sure you guys can tell, I think you guys know this by now, but Wet n Wild did send this to me. This isn't sponsored or anything, but thank you, Wet n Wild, for sending this to me, because I was so excited for this collection. So thank you, I really appreciate it. We stan, and I just think it's such a good overall collection. Like, I just have no other things to say other than that. I love it. Comment down below if you're gonna pick up stuff from this collection, if you already did pick stuff up, what your favorite product was. Like I said, I will leave everything listed down below. I will list all the products, links, prices, all that good stuff down below for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.